Michael, you've had tremendous success as Australia captain.
Interesting.
You might have had that as well, I don't know.
How well do you know me? It's a question for my wife.
नहीं, वो कुछ हुआ तो नहीं था. अब आपको भी पता होगा, मुझे भी पता है कि ग्राउंड पे ऐसा होता है तो क्या होता है. तो बस यही बात कर रहे थे कि जब फ्री होंगे मैच के बाद, आप लोग हार जाओ तो खाएंगे, डिनर विनर साथ में करेंगे.
For our team, we were playing against New Zealand, and Chris Gaines was bowling. This was in India, in Mohali, so in your hometown. It was the ball was reverse swinging, and Chris Gaines was virtually beating us 2-3 times an over. I was batting with Rahul Dravid, so the main batters were batting. We'd like to believe that we were the main batters. And we were getting beaten, and we were sort of clueless because we couldn't see the shine. Sometimes the surfaces are such that it becomes a little difficult to figure out which side is the shiny side and which is the rough side. I expect all you guys to know what reverse swing is. Reverse swing is wherever the shiny side is, the ball starts to go in that direction. Even if the bowler wants the ball to go in the opposite direction, it will not go because of the imbalance and the surface of the ball. So Chris had started doing that, and I met with Rahul in the middle of the wicket, in the middle of the over. I said, I've got an idea. And he said, do you want to share it now or after the over? I said, I'll share with you after the over, but it can work. So Rahul said, okay, tell me now, what is your idea? I said to Rahul, I am closer to the bowler, and when he's walking back on the run-up, I need to stand here. When he's walking back onto his run-up, I would be watching him closely, and I'd be watching the ball. Which side is the shiny side and which side is the rough side? So Rahul said, then what happens after that? I said, whichever side is the shiny side, I will hold the bat in that hand. If he's going to bowl an outswinger, the bat is going to be in my left hand. If he's bowling in swinger, the bat is in my right hand at the non-striker's end. So that's the only time in my career when the batsman is ready to face the ball. He's not watching the bowler, he's watching the bat in my hand. So he's
very good.
So Rahul is watching me, and suddenly, you see a couple of cover drives being hit for boundaries, and on drives passing, piercing mid wicket and mid on. And Chris is like wondering. These guys were getting beaten a couple of times every over, and suddenly I'm giving away a couple of boundaries. There's definitely something wrong. So all the fielders were watching me because I was, watching Chris and not Rahul. And normally no batsman stands facing the bowler. He would be like facing the other batter. And then I would quickly change the bat, and by then they had sort of figured out that there is something fishy. And Chris lost his momentum, he lost his rhythm, and he held the ball cross seam, and he bowled a ball, and instead of looking at Rahul or checking what has happened there, he looks at me and I said, what have you got for this? Chris didn't realize that I had also warned Rahul that if I don't know what is coming, I'm going to hold the bat in the middle. So that is how the story goes. So it's just, in short, it's just being a step ahead of your opposition.
कहीं ना कहीं तो ऐसे लग रहा था कि अब टर्निंग ट्रैक पे, जैसे मैंने कहा कि एक पार्टनरशिप होती है, तो उसके बाद नया बैट्समैन कोई भी जाएगा, उसके लिए इतना फुट मार्क्स देख के उधर ही उनकी वो थोड़ा घबरा जाएंगे कि इतने फुट मार्क्स सामने हैं, तो वो एकदम ही कॉन्फिडेंसली डिफेंस नहीं कर पाएंगे.
MS, you've achieved almost everything in the game. Are you keen to continue on playing after this tournament?
Sorry?
Are you keen to continue playing on after this tournament?
Come here. Let's have some fun. Please come here. Come. Seriously.
You want me out there?
Yeah, come. Okay.
Hello, sir.
You want me to retire?
No, well,
Okay.
I just want to ask you.
I was hoping it was a Indian media guy, but because I can't really say if you have a brother or a son who can play for India or is a wicket
Sure,
keeper.
this is true.
Do you think I'm unfit?
No,
Looking at me running,
very fast.
you think I can survive till the 2019 World Cup?
Sure, yes, sure.
Then you have answered the question.
Thank you, sir.
You're forgetting something. No, I wish it was an Indian media guy because I would have asked, whether he has a son that is old enough and a wicket keeper to play. He would have said no. Then I would have said, okay, maybe a brother who can play and who's a wicket keeper. But you fired the wrong ammunition at the wrong time.
Thank you guys. I've got Kamran Akmal here with me. Kamran, बहुत अच्छी बारी खेल ली आपने. Fantastic innings. पहली विक्ट्री है. कैसा लग रहा है?
सबसे पहले अल्लाह का शुक्र है. मैं आफ्टर 7 गेम मैं समझता हूँ पहली विक्ट्री है. बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है. मैं समझता हूँ टीम गेम है. बॉलिंग को क्रेडिट देता हूँ. बॉलिंग ने मैं समझता हूँ सुहेल एवरीवन बॉलिंग वेरी वेल. जो प्लान था उस पर बॉलिंग की है जो कोच ने दी है. तो मैं समझता हूँ कि टीम वर्क है. तो मैं समझता हूँ टीम को मुबारकबाद देता हूँ. मैनेजमेंट को थैंक गॉड 1 विक्ट्री गॉट इट.
नहीं 1 विक्ट्री तो हो चुके हैं और इंशाल्लाह और विक्ट्री यहाँ से आ जाएंगे. लेकिन आपको आग पे भी लगा था. लेकिन उससे तो लगता नहीं कि आपके बैटिंग में कोई असर हुआ है. जिस तरह के आप बैटिंग कर रहे हो माशाल्लाह बहुत ही अच्छी बैटिंग हो रही है.
बस अल्लाह का शुक्र है. मेहनत की है. नेट में की है. मैं क्रेडिट देता हूँ कोच को स्टुअर्ट लॉ को. उसने मेरे साथ बड़ा काम किया बैटिंग में. पहले 2 मैचों में परफॉर्म नहीं हुआ था. उसने बड़ा मोटिवेट किया. बड़ा वर्कआउट किया मैंने उसके साथ नेट में. तो बड़ा अच्छा लगा कि मैं समझता हूँ कि सबके साथ अच्छा मोटिवेट किया टीम ने मुझे. तो इंशाल्लाह इस फॉर्म को कंटिन्यू रखूँगा. आगे जो नेक्स्ट 2 गेम है उसमें भी अच्छी बारी खेल के मैं नहीं पूरी कोई भी टीम 11 में से खेले और जीते. मैं समझता हूँ जीतना मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
और क्या आपको अभी पता है कि आप हाईएस्ट रन गेटर हो चुके हो इस टूर्नामेंट के और आपको अभी ग्रीन कैप मिलेगा?
बस मैं समझता हूँ कि खुशी की बात. अल्लाह का शुक्र है. फैमिली की दुआएं हैं. माँ बाप की वाइफ की सबकी. मैं समझता हूँ कि इंशाल्लाह कोशिश करूँगा इस फॉर्म को कंटिन्यू रखूँ और इस कैप को एंड ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट तक मेरे पास ही रहे.
Well, inshallah, good luck, Kamran, and all the best for the rest of the tournament.
I was actually going to pay my hotel bill in Rajkot, and I was taking out the old money, and I forgot that it's not of any use anymore. So I could have actually signed on it and given it to people. No, it's that useless now. So yeah, it was. I think for me it's the greatest move that I've seen. In the history of Indian politics. By far, hands down, I've been so impressed by it. It's unbelievable what's happened.
Journalists from all over the world wanted to interview Kapil Paji. Now, Kapil Paji had everything in his life, but he murdered the English language. He did not know how to speak the English language. Ghabra jate the Kapil Paji. So I told him, Paji, ki karna hai uthe jaake? You understand a bit of Punjabi, boss? छा गए गुरु छा गए. पंजाबी बंदा अगर पंजाबी ना बोले ऐसा लगता है झूठ बोलता है. So I told him, मैं कहा पाजी बाउंसर लगेंगे वहां पे, सब अंग्रेजी बोलेंगे, आपको समझ नहीं आनी. मीनाक्षी शेषाद्री की नई पिक्चर लगी है हीरो. इट्स अ मच बेटर ऑप्शन. आई टोल्ड हिम. ही सेड सरदार क्या समझता है मुझे, वट कर दूंगा मैं कहा ठीक है. I'm thinking you don't murder a man who's trying to commit suicide, boss. Anyway, we go there. Crammed box. In the ground itself, there's about 250 journalists sitting in that small room trying to interview Kapil Paji. It's just a small podium. One seat and I'm standing on the right side. And the interview starts. Mr. Kapil Dev, Khatak, मैं क्या मर गए पाजी, अब नहीं बचेगा. Mr. Kapil Dev, why is it that a country of 1 billion cannot produce another Kapil Dev? Khatak. Mr. Kapil Dev, why is it that we have just one quality fast bowler bowling in this country and dibbly-dobbly Madan Lal's bowling from the other end? Khatak. Once, twice, thrice, 4 times. And when the question comes in 6th or the 7th time, Mr. Kapil Dev, why is it that a country of 1 billion cannot produce another fast bowler? So he gets up. Ladies and gentlemen, मैं कहा पाजी lady तो है ही कोई नहीं यहाँ पे. So he says, just goes quiet. He says, ladies and gentlemen, my mummy is 62 years old, my papa is dead, you can't produce another Kapil Dev. ठोको। What an amazing answer, boss. And he looked at me and said, सरदार कोई और सवाल? मैं कहा मरना है किसी ने आपको सवाल पूछा? किसी की शामत आई है, मौत आई है? Boss, what I'm coming at is that I came from a very professional public school background.
I'm just already told you he just decided for a management and captain, not for me. So I think it's a positive sign. So it's just a lot of right hand in Australian batsman. So one is a left arm spinner. Is just go to show the ability. So I think so. Zulfiqar Babar is excellent bowling in a circle.
Well, Umar, at once Australia was cruising towards victory when Finch and Maxwell were batting. Do you think in which moment or in which particular over the momentum shifted towards Pakistan?
I think so. Is a movement for Guli Bhai because it's a good Yorker. So he just come back in a match in Saeed Ajmal and Umar Gul. So I think so. It's just feelings for and just win the match. Thank you very much, guys.
Got the chick, I call it Lola. She feel like the ocean, like to drink and smoke some Doja. And I feel like smoking, plus she good at charm. Got the chick, I call it Lola. She feel like the ocean, like to drink and smoke some Doja. And I feel like smoking, plus she good at charming.